subconscious limbo. Help me understand. Take me to your looking glass bimbo. It's time for me to become a man. I wanna be who you are.
Welcome back to the channel. Tickled to death he showed back up. Just proud you're here. We're gonna be working on this 57 again. We're gonna be doing the inside door latches and all that stuff. We installed our striker plates on the last video. If you haven't checked that out, make sure to go check that out. It will be in the playlist. So y'all hang tight, hang in with us. We're gonna get this all up in your snot box and we'll see if we can fumble our way through this. It's been quite a while, been a long time since I've even fooled with one. So I'll get you set up. We'll get into it. Welcome to this episode in the garage. Is locate the 3 bolts that we need. That is 1, that is 2, and that is 3. All right, all you guys who've been around a while or have went back and watched the playlist will know that all of these doors, all 4 of them, were disassembled at various stages. So what I have to do to this one, I may not have to do to the other ones, or there may be more I have to do to the other ones. It's been a long time, I don't remember. But the lock, all of the transfer rods from the lock assembly down to the lock transmission, inside and out, is all still intact, along with, don't know if you can see it, but the mechanism inside is still intact. It just needs to be bolted back up. So I've got the inside lubricated, and then when we finish up, I'll lube this transmission up and all of that stuff. So this door, in theory, should be ready to adjust once I get that done. Just like so. Got it. All right, let's see how this lock mechanism works. Beautiful. Does the lock work? Sure do. All right, I believe it needs to come out just a little. If you look, that quarter is out farther than the door. So let's adjust that strike plate and see if we can get this to look a little better. Boy, that looks better. I'll just tell you right now. Slight adjustment down. Well, it ain't half bad right there. All right, over here on the passenger side, I had to shave that bumper down because it was coming in contact with the door before the door shut all the way. So I've got it, may have to go a little bit farther, but I've got it a whole lot closer. Come on, baby, you can do it. There you go. Sweet top. All right. Let me wipe off my hands. I'll bring you right back. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Trying not to get in your way. All right, we're this way in good shape. All right, let's see. I think my door is locked. You gotta see this. See, my lock handle is jammed back behind that, so I gotta get that loose so I can unlock this door. Dadgummit. So I'm gonna tighten that striker up right there, and let's just see what that looks like when I close it. Too far in. So let's move it out a little bit. Boy, it looks a whole lot better. Let's good from that angle. Looks good from that angle. I like that a lot. All right, let's make sure our lock works, even though we already checked that. Yep. Good deal. Beautiful. All right. Next. All right, I'm always fascinated with these simple mechanical little jewels of how they work, what makes them work. And just in case you ever wondered what makes a lock inside these old mechanisms work, if you watch this piece right here in particular, this is my outside door button for my outside door handle. So when I mash that, you'll notice what all moves. This moves down out of the way of your star gear, and this right here comes down and mashes that so that it moves out from in front of your star gear. But when I come over here and I lock this thing, you'll notice this swings out of the way. That shoulder no longer comes into contact with that lever. So when I open the outside door, nothing moves. I've always thought these things were so cool. So this part right here is the goes to the outside door handle so that you can lock it with a key. And this goes to your outside door handle button so that you can open the door. This one is your pull lock, so you can lock it from the inside. And then this one right here is your inside door handle. This one. So, sort of how that thing works. Pretty neat. Alright, slide you up. Put you through. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing clipped on here. Just like so. Now can I get this in here? These have got to go up. You see my dilemma. Now I can't get, because of this. So this goes to that is the lock. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. This is what's holding me up. So let me, which way do I have more room? Let me get this out. And I'm going to leave that just like that. Hopefully that clip don't fall off. Put this in here. And then now I've got to put that rod back on there. No, it does not go that way. It goes this way. Just like that. Just like so. Alright, there is our lock. Alright. Now let's see if we can get this thing put in here. Make sure we're not all jammed up on our rods in here. Let's get a screw in that. We'll take a closer look at our rods. Alright, so we got our rods where they need to be. You can see that rod inside that hole. That is the one that goes to your key. And then you won't be able to see it, but the other rod that goes up to your door handle is in the right place. And our door lock is in the right place. All right, we're cooking with gas now. That's got to go down a little bit. Oh yeah. That's more better. Make sure I'm not banging up the paint here. I got two stoppers, you know, if you remember on the other door, two stoppers that go in there. But I can tell you right now, those two stoppers are going to have to be adjusted. All right. One other thing, though, we do have to make sure of. We got to make sure our inside door handles work. Boy, that does need some adjustment. What is that hitting? Oh. That latch still needs to go down a little bit. We'll get that in a minute. What a mess. So this arm right here is bent. This is you guys, when I first brought the car here, if you guys remember, the driver's side door never would open. I actually had to get a buddy of mine over here, and we worked on it till we finally got it open. The problem is water had leaked for I don't know how many hundreds of years into that and locked everything up. So I'm assuming while attempting to repeatedly open the door, several things got bent because none of this stuff in here moves. So let's start with this one, I guess, first. closer. All right, what else do we have? What else do we have that's bent? So we have this arm over here that is severely bent. So I want to try to get this slid back and into the position it goes in. Let's gosh, what a bowl of spaghetti. There we go. Just like so. Now we got to try to bend. Get this in a position where we can do something with it. Let's just grab a hold of it, just see what it does. All right. Now we're back to square one. So let's get this thing sprayed down, lubed up, and see if we can get any of this stuff to move, because nothing on it moves. Nothing. So let's see what we can do. All right, I'm back with you. Turns out I mixed up a nerve agent. Probably shouldn't let this contact bare skin or inhale it. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Man, burns the back of the throat. It's good for you. Yep, shouldn't let the contact in. Ooh, burns. Let's keep doing it. We get it. Now, if I was to leave this in here, it would eventually feed that rest out. I'm far too impatient for that. See if we can get some movement. Man, I'm missing like 8 layers of skin. Alright, do we have any movement? We got some.
Only time can heal the wounds of a non-existent life. If you like, then you can choose one of many secret lives. Secret lives. secret life. Don't doubt the good nature of every humankind. You'll find good in them only if you try. You're not lonely, but I can see it in your eyes. You often say that life is cruel, but can you see where the eagle flies?
Let's see, this goes to our door handle. A little bit rough, and it's because this has got rust built up on it. And you know, these things don't come apart. Everything is riveted together. There's no bolts, there's no screws. Everything is put together and then hot riveted together. So what you got is what you got. There's nothing on here that is really replaceable. So you have to make do with what you got, and if not, you're just going to have to replace the whole unit. Read right there. Nose pointed up. What a jigsaw puzzle. One, two, three. All right. Well, I started to say there is no way I got this thing upside down. Alright, there's that. And we got all that crap down in there. We gotta figure out which one goes over the top of the other one. Now you gotta remember, this one's got the seal already in it. So we have to close it. Oh yeah, I have to close it real hard. Alright, let's see if our lock works. What I'm trying to make sure of is that I mash this lock down, and when I open the inside, it pushes this lock up, which it does. So you can see it right here. Beautiful. All right, now I want to close it, lock it. And now I want to try the outside to see if it also stays locked. Now, locked, unlocked, locked. Now, let's make sure, well, let's unlock it, shut our door, lock it. Now let's make sure that our outside door handle will not open it. Nope. Good deal. Will our inside? Yes, it will. Beautiful. Lord, have mercy. Golly. That is a pain in the butt. It's like handling 1, 2, 3, 4 bowls of spaghetti all at the same time, you know, just getting, you know what I mean? And, you know, golly, but we did get it done. Tickled to death. We made sure all of our mechanisms worked and everything does what it's supposed to do. Got all of our striker plates adjusted, and man, live. That was a job. That took me all of 5 hours. It's 5 hours to put those in. Man, live. What a job. But if you've held on this long, thank you very, very much. Why don't you reach down there and hit that subscribe button? That'll really help me out right there if you just, you know, don't cost a dime. If you got any comments, right down below, and I will make sure that I answer them. And you might not like what I say, but I promise I won't ignore you. And share it. If you know somebody that's struggling through these door latches, trust me, there's a reason they're struggling. Share this video with them. Hit the thumbs up, like, and till next time, y'all go do some work. I'm going to take a nap.
Going